Unlocking English phrases, understanding, build up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the vast ocean of the English language to help you swim confidently through its waves. Today, we're going to unravel the layers of a very interesting and commonly used phrase, build up. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, understanding the nuances of this phrase will surely enrich your English vocabulary and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. Build up is a phrasal verb, and phrasal verbs in English are phrases where a verb is combined with a preposition or an adverb, creating a completely new meaning. The phrase, build up, can be used in various contexts, and it generally means to increase or develop something over a period of time. For example, muscles can build up with regular exercise. There was a build-up of traffic on the highway. Physical or tangible build-up. Build-up can refer to a physical increase of something tangible. The snow started to build up on the roads, making it difficult to drive. You need to clean the filters to prevent a buildup of dust. Emotional or intangible build-up. Build-up can also refer to the development of emotions or feelings over time. There was a build-up of excitement as the concert date approached. The build-up of stress can be harmful to your health. Strengthening or improvement. This phrase can imply strengthening or improvement in skills, abilities, or relationships. Regular practice will build up your strength. They were able to build up a strong friendship over the years. It's important to remember that build up is a separable phrasal verb, meaning that the two parts can be used together or separately, depending on the object of the sentence. Correct, you need to build up your endurance. Correct, you need to build your endurance up. Incorrect, you need to build up your endurance it. This sentence is incorrect because the object, it, should be placed between build and up if you want to use them separately. And there we have it, folks. A comprehensive look at the phrase, build up. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use this phrase in various contexts and be aware of the common pitfalls to avoid. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and added a valuable piece to your English language puzzle. Don't forget to practice using build up in your daily conversations to make it a permanent part of your vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more English language content. Until next time, keep learning and keep building up your English skills.